Welcome to a brief tutorial and discussion about ways to improve design of scratch-built hovercraft and ornithopters. These things are pretty self-explanatory, so I won't stay on them all that long. I will have some links in the video description, one or two links, and those would include a link to my old channel. This is not that link. This is the link for the skirtless hovercraft. Example. This is just introductory, basically. More substance here. Simply pointing out, stating the obvious where, let me start over. In my opinion, an ornithopter is not that great unless it can glide well, and most do not. Achieving good glide depends on two things, basically. The ability to lock the wings at a good dihedral position, and the use of a two-surface wing, which makes aerodynamic lift when not flapping. Membrane wings, not so. But then there's a third factor that I believe people really should investigate this. Having the variable CG. All you would need is one extra servo slaved to the throttle. And you mount the battery on a moving tray thing, and there you have it. You just have to set the movement, the travel and everything to get the results you want. Now, it's probably just a matter of moving the battery 1 or 2 centimeters. And there you go. That's the way. That's a way to find my old channel. I did both demos of weight shift and of using weight shift for yaw control. Now that was never proved. Neither was ever actually proved, but there's no reason for weight shift, variable CG weight shift to work. There's no reason for it to not work. You can look at my weight shift yaw control to see if it looks good or bad. Maybe it could be improved on. It definitely was a compromise, having it being on a swinging thing whose radius was constant. So, thanks.